Hi everyone, so this is the second part for our redeeming credit on Google Codelabs. So the second part, after you have redeemed the trial building account, which we did in the last video, first you have to sign in to access your credits. So signing in to access your credit is important. You should have received a link, navigate to the URL which we did. If you have not yet signed into your Gmail account, you click sign in with Google, which is what we have here. You sign in with Google, and then once you sign in on your account, you verify that you have signed in to the right account, because you could have many multiple Gmail accounts running on your own. So after that, what you do next is you should see a page detailing your credit offer, the amount, and validity. Double check that you are seeing the name of the event code lab in order to confirm that you're on the right URL. So when you get to sign in on it, you be sure that you're on it. So double check that you are seeing right event, Colab in order to confirm that you're on the right URL. Click the button to access to redeem your credits. So where we redeemed our credits earlier, click to access your credits. Remember, a dialog box will come up for the credit application. So on the GCP credit application form, your first name, your last name will be pre-populated, which is what we have here already. Our names have been pre-populated. Our coupon code is already there, and terms and conditions, you verify, and then you accept and continue. So it said make sure you're applying the credit to the Google account you intend to use for the Google Cloud Labs. Once this is done, you'll be taken to the Google Cloud billing overview page. This is a confirmation that the credit has been successfully applied. It's very important to be sure that your credit has been applied. So once your credit has been applied, I'll take you there to have a look at what. So you can confirm that your credit has been applied. So you can see, once you click on credits, you get to see your remaining credit value. So once you click on credits, here is our remaining credit value. You can see our credit value. So let's go to the account. That's the Google Cloud account. You can see our credit value right here, which is the $5. $5 tells you, yes, you are in on it. It's a one time for 180 days. After that, you have now claimed the credit. You create a project. So remember, we want to create a project now. So create a Google Cloud project and associate a billing account. So we want to tie a new project to this billing account. Remember earlier in the first video, we talked about anti-gravity, we talked about building apps. So we can create a name around that for now. So we'll now navigate to the Google Cloud console and click on the Google Cloud text at the top of the page. So we go to the Google Cloud console. Let's go to the Google Cloud console. So let's create a new tab. With Google Cloud console. So here we are at the Google Cloud console. The next instruction, click the Google Cloud text at the top of the page. So click on Google Cloud at the top of the page. So we go and click on Google Cloud at the top of the page. So click on this. Next, next thing we're going to do is to select a project to show our existing project. So go to our Google Cloud. Let's go to projects. Let's see. So select project to show existing project name and go to new project. So let's go to the one. So let's manage billing accounts. So these are our projects. So these are billing accounts and our projects are here. So let's go back to the instructions. Google Cloud billing credits, all credits, select a project. Okay. Would like to create a new project. 1 second. Oh, it came up. Came up. Okay. So here we have select a project. We want to create a new project. So if you're having a new account, I think you have about 11 projects. So because we've used the slot for 2 projects, now we have 9 projects remaining, which is what we're seeing right here. So this is my main billing account, which was attached to a card. I would like to now attach the $5 card to it. That's $5 credit to it. So I will now give it a project. So I can call this my project um Code Labs. My project Code Labs 01. So you can see it's my project Code Labs 01 and project ID. So you see it can be changed later. So we have it as my project 101 and we're putting it on this billing account, the trial 180 days $5 billing account. I'll click on create. So let's go back to it. So enter your new project name, which we've done already. For the business account, select the appropriate account, which we have done already. We've redeemed our credits. So it's important to recommend to check later if the billing account is linked, which we will do again. If not, we need to link the billing account afterward. We can select an organization for location unless we are specifically instructed otherwise, which we weren't, which I wasn't too. And then we click on create. Once you click on it, you can see the project number and the project ID. So that will what we're doing next. So we have it as the project code labs 01 create. So you're now viewing projects in an organization. So we have the other notifications also coming up. For the next instructions we have is to, if we couldn't select the billing account, but which we did, we selected, these are the other options. You can see once the project has no billing account, it says this project has no billing account. And you can go and select. So we've already done this part of selecting our billing account. Now, so you may go to step 7, which we will be going to right now. You have now successfully claimed your credits and created a new Google Cloud project. You may now proceed to the next lab. So this is the conclusion. These are learning credits that you can use to run and execute provided code lab. You're not required to provide your credit card, which we didn't, and other payment details in order to redeem this credit. This credit lasts for 6 months or until the created account is fully consumed. You may use this credit to attempt other code labs or even build your own ideas and prototypes on Google Cloud, as long as you don't consume the credits. When prototyping and testing products, try to stay within the free tier of products. For more information, visit the free tier limits, which is on the link here. If it's your first time on Google Cloud, you might also need to be eligible for the 90 days free trial, which we've already redeemed. So normally at the end of this little workshop, you have a pop-up message that comes up. I think the pop-up message is, this is the pop-up message. So you've unlocked a new milestone learning personal identity profile. So thank you very much for joining me on redeeming credits for use on Google Cloud through Google Codelabs.